Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. Today's video is based on how to order from Shein. Now first thing first, that is you need to have an account in order to order from Shein. Now in case if you don't have an account on Shein, you can always check out my videos on how to create or sign up Shein account on your device. And I will leave the link on the description box as well. And second of all, you need to have a good Wi-Fi connection. Now let's get started. So first of all, you need to log in. So head towards your web browser. And on top there is a search bar, so you need to enter the link, that is www.shein.com, and I will leave the link on the description box as well. Here as you can see that I've landed inside the profile page, which means that I already have an account and that I'm already logged in. Now in order to order from Shein, you need to select what you're ordering. On the same page on top there you can see there are a list of options. So from here you need to select what you're ordering. So for example that I want to order dress, so I'll tap on dress. So now as I've tapped on dress, so I'll only have dresses option. Now from here you can explore. Now for example, I'll go with the first one. So in case if I want to buy this, so first of all I need to tap on add to bag. And as I tap on add to bag, there you can see a pop-up window. Now from here you can explore your dress. So now on the right side there you can see size. So from here you need to select your size. And after you select your size, so tap on add to bag. So once you're done selecting your dress and tapped on add to bag, now on the same page move towards your upper right corner, and right on top on the second step there's a square shaped icon, so tap on it. Now here as you can see that my item or my dress has been selected. Now in order to order, now on the same page move towards your right hand side, and right in the center there is checkout securely now, so tap on it. So now on the other page there is a shipping address. So down there as you can see that your country or your location is already entered. So on the second step there is your first name. So you need to enter a correct name or the receiver's name. So next you have a phone number. So you need to enter a correct phone number so that they will be able to contact you. So the next is city. So you need to enter a correct location of your city. So the state or a province is optional. So you can either enter it or you can just leave it blank. So next is a postal code or a zip code. So you need to enter a correct zip code. So the next is your address. So once again I repeat, enter your correct address so that they'll be able to contact you. So once again there is another address line too. Now once you're done entering your information, tap on mark default and then tap on save, which is right in the bottom. So the another method is your payment. So from here you need to select how you want to pay it. So down there you have different options. So from here you need to select any one of these following options. So once you're done selecting your payment method, on the same page move towards your upper right corner, and on top there you can see order summary, and down there you can see your price. Now down there as you can see there is a coupon code, which means that if you're a regular customer of a Shein or if you're frequently ordering stuff from Shein, so you'll have a lot of coupon code. Now in order to gain all of these, such as coupon code, Shein point, gift card, you need to order a lot of product from Shein. Only then you'll able to gain a lot of coupon code, Shein point and gift card. Now skip this. Now scroll down. So once you're done entering all your shipping address, all your payment method and your information, so finally you'll be able to place an order. So in order to place an order, all you need to do is just one right tap, that is place an order, which is right in the bottom. So tap on it. So now on the other page you will land inside card information. So down there you can see your card information. So from here you need to select your card. So for example I'll go with Visa. Now you need to enter your card information. On the second step there is the expire date. So you need to enter your expire date of your card. And then you need to enter a security code. So in case if you don't want to enter your card information every time that you order, so you need to tap on remember this card for later use. So tap on it. So last but not least, all you need to do is tap on continue, which is on the right side. Now once you tap on continue, your product will be ordered. And this is how you can order product from Shein on your device. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update.